Alright guys, I'm going to give you a short one starting out from yesterday's video. I was saying how you could utilize cigar boxes for storage. Like this one right here. It's a nice solid cedar box. This is from Acid Cigars. It's a really nice box, as you can see. And I use this one. Beanie, I don't need you in here. This is one of my fur babies. His name's Beans. His brother's Pork. So we got Pork and Beans. We adopted them. Saved them from the shelter when they were about a week old. We had to bottle feed them. These are my fur babies. One of them. One of the many fur babies that we've saved. Anyways, back to this. As you see, I have wicks. I've got my flints. This is basically my repair box. I've got my guts. Got some extra cotton. As you guys already know, I love my Harley. So I've got me a backup zippo leather pouch. Harley Davidson. Nice durable leather. But yeah, this one I use as my repair box for my zippos. But as you see, it's nice, beautiful cedar, solid. You can pick them up at the cigar shops. As I said yesterday, sometimes they'll give them out for free. Sometimes it's $1 or $2, but you can't go wrong. And as you see over here, and like I was saying, they're nice and decorative. I don't peel off the stickers. I leave the cigar stuff, you know. See, I mean, I need to take off the price tag, but I leave all the cigar stuff on there just because it gives it character. And as you see on this one, it's got that little notch out. Pop it open. Real nice, easy, durable box. Over here, we got another one. I really don't know how to pronounce that first word. The Tabic Especial. Once again, nice cedar. The only thing I need to do is reach down in there, pick out the chain that pins onto the side to keep the lid open, you know, or tilt it, whatever, so it doesn't go all the way back. That's the only thing I need to do is repair that, and it's an easy repair. You just pull these little slips out here that come in the box, and then as you see here, almost everything is in a nice Zippo box except for my 2 plain ones. This one is my 2010 ABC 3rd month, so that's March of 2010. This one is my 93. Oh, that's another thing. You know, like these older lighters, everything has gone downhill quality wise. You know, like these are just your basic brushed chrome. You know, the ones you pick up. I think if you get them brand new, it's just $20, or sometimes you get them on sale for $10 at Walmart or something. I think I know Walmart carries them at points, but here you have a 93. Okay, you got that nice Zippo snap, a little bit better quality built. It's even heavier, you know. 2010. The body's a little bit lighter compared to the older ones, but I've noticed, which one's in here? Oh, this is the one I'm carrying. And then we have, spin this guy around. That's my Sons of Anarchy one I've got on one of my other videos. This one is Oh, one of my new ones, my Vandals from the biker movie. I believe it's called Riders or Bikers. That is November of 2023. This one doesn't feel bad. It's a little bit on the lighter side though, as I was saying. You know, you got thinner metals being used nowadays compared to the old school. See, this is one of my older ones as well. This one is 2002. This is actually one of the ones I sent in for repair. The lid was so floppy. I do give that to Zippo. Their warranty is off the hook. They repaired it. It's like brand new. Gonna have to be broke in again. And then they gave me brand new guts. Didn't need new guts, but hey, they gave me brand new guts. Tightened my hinge up or whatever they had to do, but made it like brand new. Which one's this one? Oh, this is my Compass one. But as you see, okay, that red one that I just had out, it's an 02, it's 22 years old. This one's a 22, okay, 20 years newer. Yeah, it's pretty, it's shiny. You got that nice Zippo snap, but it just feels flimsy. It feels a little bit flimsy. Don't get me wrong, I love my Zippos, just like I love case knives, you know. And as you see down in the box, another set of date code cards for both Zippo and case. What do we got down here? I guess this is turning more into a lighter tour. Oh, this is my Camel advertisement one. This one is a 93 as well. Nice Camel advertisement. My hinge is a little bit loose on there. I'm not too worried about it. It's on there. But you got the weight on there, you know? And when I get to one of these other modern ones, I'll show you what I mean. There's a huge difference. This one is awesome. This one is awesome. But I believe it's this one. Okay. This is a Zippo Armor. It's got the armor case. Now this one feels old school. It feels solid. And as you see, they did it in an old school manner. They gave it that nice flat bottom, which is really, really cool. This one here is a 2020 model. It's mirror. Odin's hammer. But it's just nice, solid, you know. This armor casing on them, to me, is the old school Zippo. That to me is the old school Zippo, you know. It just feels good in your hand. It looks great. Oh, I love this one. Check this one out. This one's built pretty well, but it's also kind of light, you know. But look at that nice metallic blue with the flames. Goes all the way around. That's a beautiful lighter. And metallic blue is awesome. This one is November 2020. This one's brand new. I have not carried or used it yet. I haven't even lit it. This one in Mirror is brand spanking new. Haven't struck them. I haven't struck the Vandals one either. I need to carry those. Get a little burn time out of them. Let's see, which one is this one? Come on, open up, buddy. Okay, this is another one of my older ones. Actually, this was my father-in-law's. That is a 1990. And this is one of the ones you can have your initials engraved in. But listen to that snap. Listen to that snap. It's very reminiscent of an old school original case knife. That snap. On the older models, guys, I swear, the older models, they did them up right. They really did. They did them up right. Oh, this one's my Slim. I bought this one for the wife. She didn't like it because the fluid didn't last in it because it being a Slim. This one is F of 22. That is June of 22. It is a good little lighter. It's built really well. The little Slim with that nice, like a stone wash black. It's got nice little texture. It is a great little lighter, but I seen what the wife was saying. The fluid didn't last in it very long, and I'm assuming because it's a Slim, that's why it didn't last very long in it. Now this one. This is a Harley Davidson Collector's Edition Armor Series. And look at, that's the outer box. Okay, that's just the outer box on this guy. Or sleeve, I should say. You slide it off, and then you have the inner zippo box. This one I have yet to light either. You have your warranty papers, and look at this bad boy. Look at the box, just the nice craftsmanship of the box itself. And it's got like this little mirror sleeve inside. Let's see if we can get this bad boy out of there. This guy, you've got texture. You've got the chrome. Just beautiful. Look at the Harley badging. Once again, it's a flat bottom. This is A of 24, so that's a January of 24, first month of this year. And then onto the polished side, it says it's a 2024 collectible. Opposite side where the hinge is, it's just polished. And then the back side's got Harley Davidson with that stippling. Very, very nice. And then you've got flames on the actual lighter itself, where the lighter strikes. God, this is a beautiful one. But you could feel the substantialness on this guy. You know? The armors, to me, are the way Zippo used to build all of their lighters. You know? That's what I feel. I feel like Zippo used to build all of their lighters in the manner as where armors are at. And of course, armors, you know, you get that armor casing, you're paying the premium price because it's better, it's got better collectability, you know. But hey, that's my Zippo collection. I just wanted to show you guys real quick that, you know, I find it really nifty. Go get yourself some cigar boxes from your local distributor of cigars. You may just get away with getting them for free because they're just going to toss them anyways. They don't want them. Or, you know, the store owner may decide, hey, you know what, this person wants them, I'm going to throw them away. I could get $1 or $2 for them. But shoot, you got nice little conversation starter. It's decorative. Great storage. Thanks for coming to the channel, guys. I hope you like, subscribe. I hope you guys come back. Hopefully I'm doing well. If you guys got any kind of feedback, let me know. Thank you for coming to the channel. I'll be doing some more knives later. I just wanted to touch base on the cigar boxes since I mentioned them yesterday, but I didn't have an example to give. And I guess since I was showing you the boxes, I decided to go in to showing you the crap inside. But yeah, you guys could get some great storage for dirt cheap or free. It's decorative, useful, you know. I find it to be a good way to store things, and I like it. And it's a good conversation starter because people will see the boxes and, hey, what do you got in there? What's going on with those boxes sitting there? You know? So, yeah, it works. It works. Once again, thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for viewing it. Hope you like and subscribe. God bless you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.